Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress theme. So there are different ways of doing so, different options available. So as you can see behind me, you can select from the WordPress repo. Usually these are free of charge and super easy to install with just one click of the mouse. I'm also going to show you what I believe is the best theme at the moment, which is the Astra theme, which comes with many starter templates, and it looks absolutely gorgeous and very professional, and it uses the Elementor drag and drop feature as well as a page builder. And finally, I'm going to show you how to install a premium theme, so a theme that you would have purchased online from any company. So there you go, let's go and dive right into it. Okay, so let's start from our WordPress dashboard. We go into appearance and then themes. And you can see here we have our basic default themes that come with WordPress, which is the 2021, 2020 and 2019. Again, these are very basic and not very appealing at all. So this is why we always want to install a theme, our own theme. So let's click on add new. And you can see we are presented with a few different options already. So you can go and check maybe for the latest ones, just to see what it's available. So maybe you like this one here. Let's say you want to create your own personal blog and this one fits your purpose perfectly. So you can have a quick preview. So you click on preview. And as you can see, we can get a sense of what it looks like. We have the font and maybe a few items already, but it doesn't look exactly like the finished product. It's very hard to visualize it. And the reason being is because this theme most likely requires additional plugins and a page builder that's not yet installed on your WordPress installation. And therefore, this is why I very often advise anyone to install Astra theme. The Astra theme, once installed, will give you all these starter templates and you can visualize it immediately. So let's go ahead with this now. Let's go and install Astra. So you can click on appearance themes. You can go into popular and the Astra theme will show up here. Or you can go and search theme and type in Astra. There you go, there it is. Then all we have to do after this is just click install. There you go. And then all we have to do now is click activate. That's it. So thank you for installing Astra. Did you know Astra comes with dozens of ready-to-use starter templates? And this is the important thing here, is that Astra comes with starter templates. So let's get started. All you have to do is click get started. As you can see, it's activating now. It's going to take a few moments. There you go. So from here, we have to select our page builder. So we have the choice among those 4 different options. We have Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, and Breezy. So Gutenberg comes by default with WordPress. Then we have Beaver Builder and Breezy as well. But from experience, Elementor is the most comprehensive one and the most user-friendly. It is absolutely fantastic. So let's go ahead with this. And now we have all these starter templates, ready-made templates to choose from. So let me scroll down a little bit just to show you how many there are. There are loads of them and they all look very professional. So there is something for everyone, for every type of business, industry or field or whatever it is, even for bloggers. Anything you want to build, you can find it here, guaranteed. So as you can see here, some of them have an agency tag. So these are premium versions. See, these are paid version, so you have to buy the premium version of Astra. Now all the others, this one here, see, all these others are free to use. So now if you just wanted to narrow it down to just the free ones, you can click on the drop down menu and select free. And now all of these, look at this, all of these are free of charge. So there is definitely something you can find there to build your own website free of charge. Again, if you can't find anything here, you can always get the premium version one, of course. So if you wanted to have a quick preview before installing it and importing the website itself, let's say you wanted this one here. Okay, let's click on this and let's have a quick look. Live a healthy life. Okay, so this is the home page and you can scroll down the page just to see what's the rest of the page made out of. Okay, now if you're not happy with this, you can go to the next one, maybe select this one here and then have a quick look, and then you can scroll down and then you say to yourself, oh, this is very nice, exactly what I need. And in just one click of the mouse, you can import all the pages all at once, just by clicking import complete site. Now, if you wanted to import, let's say, the home page from this website, you can click on click home page. Then you can go to another template, let's say this one, and you could import the about us page from this one and click import about us. And then you can have a mix and match features from different templates all together at once on your website. So very easy to use indeed. So let me show you very quickly how to do this. Let's say I wanted to import this one, which is an e-commerce. I'm just going to click on that. So we have 3 pages: home, about us, and contact. So let me import this website. So let me quickly show you what our website looks like at the moment. So if I open this, okay, this is what our website looks like at the moment. So very basic indeed, not very appealing whatsoever. Now let's go and import this. Import complete site. So we have to fill this in now very quickly. Next. And then we can skip this step. So now it is importing. Now it's going to take a few moments, maybe 2-3 minutes, depending on how fast your internet connection is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video now, and I'll meet you guys again when it's completed. So there you go, guys. As you can see, it's imported successfully. So I can close this now. And let's go and have a look at our website. So this is what our website used to look like. If I refresh now, there you go. All done for us immediately in just one click of the mouse. And as you can see, if I scroll down, I mean, look at this. This looks absolutely brilliant and fantastic and very professional indeed. So this is what Astra has to offer. Again, very easy to use and to configure as well. And now I'm going to show you how to install a premium theme. So let's just assume that you purchased the theme already and downloaded it on your hard drive. So how do you install it? Very simply, you go into Appearance, Themes, and then Add New, and then Upload Theme this time. So we're going to select this one, and we're going to choose our file. So wherever you've downloaded your file, select that folder. So we have one here. So I've downloaded this one from the Envato marketplace. So most often your theme will come as an archive file. So usually it's a .zip file. So you have to extract this file first. Very often you have to do that. So first we go and extract the file. Okay. And as you can see here, we have an additional folder. So not all the themes are the same, but it's very often the case. If you open this now, you can see it's made out of different folders, and you have 2 different files here. We have the entire theme, and then we have the child theme. So what you want to do is to click on the theme itself. So this one is the one you want to install. So let's click on that, click open, and then install now. So again, as you install a premium theme, ideally you want to do that on a fresh WordPress installation as well. Okay, so this is installed, and now all we have to do is basically activate. Now very often when you install a premium theme, you'll be required to install additional plugins, and if this is the case, you'll get a warning message like this. So this theme requires the following plugins and such. You have all the list here. So at this stage, what you need to do is simply click Begin Installing Plugins. So you have all our plugins here, and what you do simply is bulk edit, bulk select all of them, and then drop down menu, install, and then click apply. Simple as. And the installation will begin, and it will install all the 9 different plugins required for this theme. Okay, great. And as you can see, all installations have been completed. So the next step now, we need to go back to our plugins, and we need to activate them all. So again, bulk select, and then activate, and apply. Okay, so that's all done now. Perfect. So let's go back to our website now. So this is what our default theme looks like. Now if we refresh, so there you go, guys. All our theme is imported now and full installed. As you can see, it looks beautiful, fantastic, and very professional. So this is how you install your theme on a WordPress installation, either a premium one or one from the WordPress repo. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.